Hi Ponypall, this is Jody, or Bridal Path, but so, okay, here is Peeps. Hi buddy, how you doing? And I'm going to film how he, well, tries to bite, I guess. Okay, so, this is what he does. My finger is right here. So this is what he does when I'm coming towards him. Does this, like, lunging thing almost. Hold on. See how he does that? And then I don't want to get my hand any closer because he will bite me. Yeah, like that. So now, alright. See, he's already getting all pissy at me for opening his cage. See, I'm putting my finger near him and he's gonna attack me! See, he's like, he's not happy. Yeah, not happy. Alright, so that's how he tries to bite. Now, I'm gonna film what he does when I try to take him out with a blanket, or towel, or whatever. So here we go. Hold on, I'm getting the towel, and, yeah, see, hold on. It's hard to multitask like this. But so basically, he's gonna start freaking out. Hold on. But come here. This is him trying to eat my hand. Out! Peeps, hey buddy. See, he's trying to eat me. Stop. Can you not eat me, please? Then I put him back and he freaks out. So, yeah. You can see that, no, you are not coming out, buddy. Sometimes I take him out and I just kind of let him chill on top of his cage. But, yeah. And then I have to use the towel again to put him back. But, oh, here are his claws. Tell me what you think. I might go to Bird Bungalow and get those clipped anyways. His favorite toy here is this one, and that's like, if you press these little buttons here, they make noises. So, see, look, just, when I go near him, he's just aggressive and just mean. Look, look. And he will bite, so, yeah, hasn't happened like a real bite before. But I'm not looking forward to trying anytime soon. Alrighty. So that's Peeps. And, yeah, I'm gonna start doing that with him soon. Oh, and this is the stuff that I feed him, by the way. It's this stuff. This right here. Okay? This premium cockatiel food. Alright. So, yeah. Thank you for trying to help me. If any other YouTubers out there have any suggestions on what I need to do with this evil little bird right here, let me know. Thank you. Alright. Say goodbye. Say bye, Peeps. Yeah. Bye, YouTube.